Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do a half up pullback lace braid.
Now this style works really well for medium to long hair and is super easy.
So let's get started.
I went ahead and put some spray in her hair just to give it some texture. Anything I use in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. First thing you want to do is to create a half a ponytail right here on the crown area. You want to have a good chunk too, so that way you can divide that into two parts and braid it on each side. Right, so you're going to create a ponytail right here. What I usually do is try to hide this line right here. So I'll just pull it back a little bit, just so that it'll cover that line right here. I'm going to cover this elastic band with her hair using a topsy tail. Take a small section from the back, from underneath the ponytail, and then just wrap it around. I'm just going to keep wrapping it around. And put it right behind there, then just pull through. I'm going to just take this and lift it up a little just to give it some volume right up on top. Okay, so your next step is to take this ponytail and split this into two equal parts. Okay, so I'm going to put this here on the side just to hold it into place, just to get it out of the way. I'm going to work on this side first. So what you're going to do is just going to create a braid. You're going to do a couple of stitches down. Okay, so now you're going to go ahead and take a section right here from the side. You're going to take this and add it to this strand here. And you're going to go ahead and do a stitch of a braid. Like this. Then you're going to add more from the side to this strand here. Do a stitch of a braid. And then add again. Another stitch of a braid, and then one more. So I'm going to go ahead and do 4 lace braids, just like this. Then I'm just going to continue my braid going down. I'm going to secure this temporarily with an elastic band, or you could use a hair clip. I'm going to leave this like this for now, and I'm going to work on this side here. This is so easy. You're going to create a braid by sectioning these into 3 equal parts, and you're just going to create a braid, and now I'm going to do 3 stitches down. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add some hair from the side, and then do a half a stitch, and then add again. And you want the same amount that you have on the other side over here. Then I'm going to go and braid it down a little ways. I'm going to take these 2 braids and merge it together, but before I do that, I'm going to pull these outside strands just to give it some volume and thickness. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So now that I have the braid to where I want it, I'm going to take this and unravel it and hold this together. So I'm going to hold this and this together, unravel that, take it apart. Okay, so to merge these braids together to make it look like one equal braid, I'm going to call this braid 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. You're going to take 3 and 4 together, put it together, and then you're going to take 5 right here underneath those 2 and bring it to number 2 right here. See, these 2 together. Then you're going to take this last strand, the 6th one, and put it to number 1. That would be your strands. That'll be your 3 strands, okay? And then you just go ahead and make a 3-strand braid. I'm just going to pull out the outsides as I'm going down, just to give it some volume and some thickness. Okay, so I'm going to secure this off with an elastic band. And I'm just going to cover this with her hair using the topsy tail again. I'm just going to go back over, fix it to the way I like it. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, we're always up for a good challenge, so if you know any styles that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments section below.
We love feedbacks. Let us know about your success in following our videos and what parts we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. Until next time, learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye!
Bye guys! God bless!